Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to add administrators to your Facebook group. By adding admins, you can effectively manage and moderate your group with the help of trusted individuals. So, let's dive right in. To begin, log into your Facebook account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left side of the screen and locate the Groups section. If you prefer a quicker way, simply click on the menu button, usually represented by three horizontal lines, at the top right corner and select Groups from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll find a list of all the groups you manage. Choose the specific group to which you want to add administrators. Click on the group's name or its associated thumbnail to access its main page. Once you're on the Groups page, you'll find several tabs at the top. Look for the Members tab and click on it. This will take you to the list of members currently in the group. Scroll through the list of members until you find the person whom you want to make an admin. You can use the search bar provided to quickly locate a specific member. Take your time to consider the individuals who have been active and responsible within the group, as they would make ideal candidates for admin roles. Once you've found the individual, click on their name to access their profile. On the member's profile page, you'll find an option to invite them as an admin. This button or link, usually labeled as Invite as Admin, grants them additional privileges within the group. Click on it to send the admin invitation. Congratulations! You've successfully sent the admin invitation to the selected member. They will receive a notification informing them of the invitation. It's important to communicate with the member and let them know about the invitation so they can accept it. You can reach out to them through a private message or by mentioning it in a group announcement. Once the member accepts the admin invitation, they will become an admin of your Facebook group. As an admin, they will have access to various tools and features that allow them to help manage the group's activities, approve or deny membership requests, moderate discussions, and enforce group rules. It's crucial to establish open communication with your admins and ensure they understand their roles and responsibilities. If, for any reason, you change your mind or need to cancel the admin invitation, you can do so easily. Simply go back to the member's profile page and look for the option to cancel the admin invitation. Click on it, and the invitation will be retracted. Keep in mind that once an invitation is canceled, the member will no longer have the option to accept or decline it. That's it. You've now learned how to add administrators to your Facebook group. By carefully selecting responsible and trustworthy individuals as admins, you can create a supportive and well-managed community. We hope this tutorial was helpful and that you can now effectively manage your group with the assistance of trusted admins. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy administrating on Facebook!